Hey guys, today we have a crimp blunt cut. It's a middle part with a little leave out. As you see at the top, I've already started. She has morning glory on top of her stocking cap as always. It makes it easier to shampoo out. Yeah, so just stay tuned. Right now I'm just tracking her on up and then I'm gonna cut her all even around and just enjoy that video. Okay, guys, so right here I'm gonna straighten her leave out. I've sprayed a little Fantasia spritz on it. I believe it's the firm hold, but it's like a light spritz. I use that or I either use a Sebastian. And right in here, I'm gonna just cut her all even around. Okay, so I've already started. And as you see, I'm wearing a glove because I like using my Marcel crimps and I've had them for a while that the tip of it just fell off and I still use it. I have the crimps that plugs into the wall, but they're a different kind of look. And when doing the blunt cut, I like using the Marcel's better. It's a different kind of crimp size, and I don't know. To me, I just prefer the ones that go into the stove. But if it's a sew-in or long hair, I would prefer using the ones that goes into the stove. It makes your job a little bit easier and quicker. And there you have it. I gave her a little edge control for the little baby hairs, and that's it. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know as soon as I post. Don't forget to like, comment, and also to subscribe. And also don't forget to share this video. Share, share, share. Thank you guys for watching.